So I'm not exactly rendering. What I'm doing is I'm learning AI currently. And the way that works is you take a game, for example, this brick game. You take a whole lot of screenshots of it in different positions, with the ball, without the ball, broken bricks. And then you got to load them up into a program and label everything. So here I have the ball. I have to highlight and put a box around each object that I wanted to learn. So this one is just learning the ball. That's all I need for this game. And then I throw them into a simulation over here. Now this one uses up my whole CPU when it's running. Basically it's taking all those images, making them black and white, different colors, different positions, and it's learning. So if I run this one real quick, you can see it uses my GPU, but it's going to use the CUDA cores only. So in a few seconds after this loads, there we go, you'll see my usage is not at 100%, and that's because it's only using the CUDA cores here at 100%, but the other parts like video decoding is not being used. So I'm maxing that out. So I offload this work, which is the processing, to the servers, and they render this with other cards. And then once the simulation's done, I put that file it creates into my program, and now it knows to look for that object. So if I run this real quick, let me just close this so it's not running, and I start my software here, it's going to watch this screen, and it's going to track the ball and move my mouse to keep it under. So it's basically auto playing. So if I hit start, yes, I'm ready. You can see it tracking the ball here, and then the actual game, it's moving my mouse and keeping it below the ball every time. So it gets to position of the ball, and then I tell it to move the mouse to the same position underneath it. So it's auto playing the game for me, just like kind of like a bot. And it'll stay under that ball and track it the whole time, and it'll continue through every level. Now it's not perfect. The more photos you feed it and the more simulations you run, the better it gets and more accurate it is. So you can use this to detect people or anything in games. So like an auto clicker or a bot for a game, you can say, click on this item. You just got to train it to find that item. And that's kind of what I'm doing right now.